how to make a water elevator in Minecraft. So first what I want to do is just get a glass block right here, then just make a formation like this, then just make it so that whatever height you want. So let's say I want this height, and once that's done, just get your water bucket and put it at the top block right here. Then it will just fall down right there, and you will need some kelp, and just get your kelp, then go to the bottom and just fill all of the blocks or the water with kelp right here. And once it's all filled, just go to the very bottom and destroy the bottom kelp right here. Once that's done, just pick a side where you want to put your door. So let's say I want this door, so just put some blocks right here, and make sure you have the sign ready, so that if I remove this, you will instantly put the sign and it will block out the water. The next one, as you can see, and if you want your elevator to go up, you will need soul sand, and if you want your elevator to go down, you will need magma block. So if I replace this with magma block, as you can see right here, and when I go up right here, so I'm just gonna remove this. So when I go down right here, so it'll instantly drag me down. And if I replace this with soul sand, it will shoot me up just like that. I'm gonna do it again. As you can see, that's how you basically make a water elevator in Minecraft.